Here we are again, folks. Morning. Morning, sir. Morning, everybody. We're at the, how do you pronounce it? Mehari Viaduct Visitor Centre. Is over there. And the eggs. Here we go. The eggs. The eggs are pretty much intact, but this is a good challenge because hand out the challenges, please, Jacob. Yeah, I think. We were supposed to open them up at the bottom of the bridge, but it's so foggy. There was no we couldn't see the bridge, so we moved to the car park.
Monday, challenge 1, all teams to meet under the Mehari Viaduct at
sort of
8 o'clock. A little bit beyond that.
Yeah.
2, the clock will restart once the adjudicators have posted a group photo on Facebook.
Yeah.
3, you will need to drive to the Mehari Viaduct Visitor Centre.
That's where we are now.
Park your car up and walk up the hill to the viewing area with the basket.
It's my spelling. Yeah. So what you got to do? You got to carry these baskets. The entrance, and we got to walk all the way. The zigzags all the way to the top of the hill.
Once at the top, you will need to post a team selfie with the eggs and the viaduct in the background. 4, then you can open up the envelope with the next challenge in it. Right,
yep.
Goes to the top of the hill.
Yep. So we got the new challenge. So we'll be back later. Come on, gentlemen, grab your eggs.
In a case.
Look, we got 29 eggs, Dave.
What?
We got 29 eggs, you got 165. Good job I didn't get that.
Exercise done for the day?
Yeah, I reckon.
Here we are. The Mehari Viaduct.
Unfit.
And a couple of old men puffed out. But what a reward. Get to the top of the visitor centre here and you have this incredible view of this amazing bridge. Look at that.
Alright.
Wow. What do you think of that, gentlemen?
It's alright.
It's not exactly the Humber Bridge, is it, really?
Yeah, I'm so disappointed it's not the Humber Bridge.
Hello folks, here we are. As you can see in the background is the bridge. I'll tell you what, if you forget these lot in a minute. Oh, I'm saying it's a bloody long way down now. Apparently it's the tallest bridge in the world. Designed by Sir Norman Foster. But here we go. Just to let you know, the scores last night, leaderboard, the 2cv is winning. The Tesla is 14 minutes behind, catching fast. And the Mehari is 24 minutes behind the 2cv. So they done really well yesterday. So, Jacob, can you hand out the challenges, please? We got our Dave to read this one.
Okay.
Excuse folks, he is Australian.
G'day. Drive to Arles. You need to locate the Vincent van Gogh Cafe Terrace and post a team selfie with eggs and location in the background. Then drive to the Mehari Club Cassis in Cassis and deliver your basket of eggs to reception.
Can you show us, James, so that people can see?
Beautiful
Look at that.
Van Gogh painting as well. Beautiful.
Yeah, the terrace.
Is he going to be in? Will he be there?
I texted him, he hasn't got back to me yet.
Monday's years off. He works a 4-day week.
And he just approved the eggs, and it's a really long way uphill. The eggs have survived. Yeah. We'll try to put a glimpse on the game, but we're having big problems with the technology. So bear with us, and we'll catch you later. Cheerio!
Right, are we...
Yeah, I'm going to walk behind so I can... Look Look at us.
You'll have a hernia by the time you get back down there.
You like the Easter Bunny, Justin? Yeah. You remind me in so many ways of the Easter Bunny.
And like the guy was
Darren, you got a free hand?
Yeah,
Oh!
Go on, Jacob, do a wobbly egg challenge. Go and swing it. Look at that, see? Oh, we just knew what we're doing.
they're all glued. They're glued.
They're not glued.
Glued.
Yours are not.
It's all in a bit.
I did look at that earlier, but they look all bloody dead. They're bloody silicon.
Yeah, but we can't eat them then afterwards, so.
I can't believe it took you lot of Muppets that long to realise we glued the eggs together.
I noticed it the other day. I was thinking, hold a minute. Yesterday I was thinking, that residue.
There's a cracked one somewhere.
So you've already cheated from the word go. Not only have you shortened the barrels, you've also cleared all the eggs.
I know the will because we went to Warminster.
But then, you know, I'll just keep the motor wine going on this and I'll just keep shooting.
Make sure the eggs don't fall out, Jacob.
Keep that in mind.
I'm just gonna have a wee.
Sorry, what was that, Rich?
I'm just gonna go and have a wee, if that's okay.
Stop taking a piss. Here we are, folks. We are 116 miles from Cassis. And look what's in front of us. It's Team Mehari. They caught us up. But not for long. There they are. Hopefully you won't see them now until the finish. Cheers for now.